Welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 4th. Subject is English. The topic is No Formalities Please, Part 1. The students of Class 4 greeted their teacher, Mrs. Desai, before they sat down. It was time for their English lesson. Shall we bring out our Bal Bharti textbook, teacher? Asked Shruti. Not now, said the teacher. We are going to learn letter writing today. Some special types of letters. Come here, Javed and Nisha. Please distribute these notebooks. And while they give out the books, let me give you some good news. The students were all ears now. All ears now means they were listening very carefully to the teacher what she was saying, because the teacher was going to teach them how to write a letter. New arrivals in the library and plenty of them. Storybooks of every kind. Informative books with lovely pictures, books of puzzles, jokes, all have been displayed in the library. So you will know which ones to ask for the next time you are in the library. Their teacher announced with a smile. That means in the library new books have come and they can read those books. Oh, lovely! I can hardly wait, were some of the eager responses to this piece of news. All were excited except one. What's the use? Complained Felix. We have only one library period in a week and hardly for half an hour too. Just when the story gets interesting, we have to leave the book and go back to class. Now Varsha joined in to say, for 2 weeks I have been waiting to know what happened to the Pied Piper of Hamelin. There was a holiday last Thursday and we missed the library period. Mrs. Desai realized that what her students said was perfectly true. She decided to request the principal to allow a home issue facility for class 4. After all, they were big enough to look after the books they took home. Hey, wait, thought Mrs. Desai. There's a better way to do it. Why not let the students themselves write a letter of request to the principal? After all, that was what she had planned to teach that day, how to write polite, formal letters. When Mrs. Desai suggested this to her class, they were very excited. Without losing much time, Mrs. Desai began to teach her class how to write a formal letter. What an opportunity, a good subject for formal letter. And of course, a real situation would make the learning more effective and interesting. So this is the way she taught the letter writing. Now, how to write a formal letter, children? See, stepwise she has explained. Let us also learn how to write a formal letter. See, first thing what you have to do is to the right corner. You can see to the right corner, the sender's address and the date should be written in the upper right corner of the page. So here they have written Pragati Vidyalaya, Pustak Marg, Vachanpur, and the date is also written. So the way of writing the date is little different. So here 6th July 2014 they have written. Okay. Then come to the right hand side. The next step is to write the name or post of the receiver near the left margin. Then write his or her address below that. So this becomes if we are writing to the principal. So the post of the principal, the post is the principal and then the address. Then below that we come, and after that you must write the subject of the letter. So in formal letter, subject is a must. Subject means in short we have to write what exactly the letter you are writing for. So that becomes the subject of the letter in short below the receiver's address. Then you address the receiver writing dear sir or dear ma'am. In fact, when we are writing to the principal, we write respected sir or respected madam. Here in our book, the teacher is showing it as dear sir or dear madam. That will also do. Okay. Then comes the matter of the letter. Remember, the rest of the letter also should be written in polite language. Right to the point. We don't have to extend a lot. Only to the point we have to write the letter. And lastly, when you are writing as a student to the principal, you may write yours faithfully or yours sincerely. So here the letter ends. In this way, the teacher explained the whole letter writing, how they have to write the letter to the students. After quite a few errors, cancellations and changes, here's the letter class 4 wrote to their principal. It was written very neatly. So in this way, the children also understood how to write a letter and they wrote a letter. So here's the letter. It is there in your textbook. You can read it. Okay. Now based on this, a few MCQs I'm going to ask you all. Okay. See, answer the following questions. A leave application written to the principal of the school is, so three options are there: informal letter, formal letter, or none. So the answer is, when we write a letter to the principal, it is a formal letter. So the answer is B. In a formal letter, we write the dash, it is necessary, topic, subject, or quotation. So as I told you in the letter, subject is a must. Okay. Now question number 3. In a formal letter, we write dash, my dear sir, dearest ma'am, respected ma'am. So the answer is respected ma'am. A formal letter is ended by writing my loving friend, yours sincerely, or yours lovingly. So the answer is yours sincerely. I hope children, every one of you have understood whatever I have taught you all. Try and write a letter. Okay. Thank you.